In the world of science and the environment, two notable events occur each year in late April or early May. One event gets lots of national attention. The other is less well known, though it happens right here in Pennsylvania. The first is Earth Day, which was 2 Saturdays ago. A Wisconsin senator named Gaylord Nelson is generally credited with the idea back in the late 1960s, a time of great unrest on college campuses, with anti-war protests called teach-ins held across the country. Senator Nelson thought, why not have a nationwide teach-in about the environment to force the issue onto the national agenda? And millions turned out for the first Earth Day in April 1970. Mayor Lindsay even shut down Fifth Avenue in New York, and Senator Edmund Muskie was the keynote speaker in Philadelphia. In 1995, Nelson received the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the nation's highest civilian honor. He's now hailed as the grandfather of all that grew out of that first Earth Day, including the Environmental Protection Act and the Clean Air and Clean Water Acts. The second event is more regional, an awards ceremony that will be held tomorrow at my old stomping grounds, the Franklin Institute in Philadelphia. These awards date back to 1824, the year the Institute was founded to train artisans and mechanics. Philadelphia was a manufacturing hub at that time, and the new institute hosted an annual exhibition honoring achievement in science. Today, the Benjamin Franklin Medals are among the most prestigious scientific awards in the world, given annually in fields such as computer sciences, chemistry, engineering, life sciences, and physics. A special honor called the Bauer Award for Achievement in Science comes with a $250,000 cash prize. To date, 117 Franklin Institute laureates have also won Nobel Prizes, most winning a Franklin Medal before the Nobel. Previous Franklin Institute Award winners include Thomas Edison, Albert Einstein, Marie Curie, Jacques Cousteau, Jane Goodall, and Stephen Hawking. And several atmospheric scientists are on that list. In 1999, the Bauer Award went to Ralph Cicerone, an atmospheric chemist whose research helped us better understand the depletion of the ozone layer. In 2003, the Earth Science Award went to Norman Phillips and Joseph Smagorinsky for their contributions to numerical weather prediction. In the 1950s, they developed some of the first computer models that tracked the global movement of heat and moisture. And this year, the Bauer Award will be presented to glaciologist Claude Lorius from the French Center for Scientific Research. For 50 years, he's drilled into Antarctica, extracting ice cores more than a mile long that have helped us reconstruct the temperature and atmospheric composition of planet Earth going back almost 1 million years. With an understanding of Earth's climate history like that, it's much easier to put the present and the future into context. From Ben Franklin to Ben Reppert, stay tuned. The extended forecast is next.